Good evening, little friends. Tonight we travel to a lively riverbank where a very hard-working little beaver lives. His name is Benny, and he knows the secret of accomplishing big dreams through discipline.
Good morning, Owl. Look at this river. I have a plan to build the strongest dam anyone has ever seen.
That's wonderful, Benny. But building a big dam takes patience, focus, and persistence. Are you ready for that?
Yes. Every day I will gather branches, stack them carefully, and check each log twice. Even if it rains or the river flows fast, I won't give up.
That is the heart of self-discipline. It helps you reach your goals, even when things get difficult. It's what turns small steps into big achievements.
It's true. Yesterday I almost felt like quitting when a branch fell into the river. But I remembered, slow and steady, organized and careful, that's how my dam will grow strong.
Exactly, Benny. Discipline isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about staying consistent, keeping focus, and finishing what you start.
And soon, this dam will be strong, the river calm, and all my friends will have a safe place to play. That's why I keep going, step by step, day by day.
Remember, little ones, like Benny shows us, with patience, organization, and self-discipline, even the hardest tasks become possible. Your small efforts each day can build big dreams.